Here again, Spokane all-wheel swap meet. Got a 1964 country sedan. Give you some contact info there. It's a 352 project car. Looks pretty clean though. Make offer, but paint's patinaed, but looks like it's probably had a repaint. The seat's a little worn, but this car seems to be all there. It's got a radio in it. 6-passenger wagon.
Oh, my dad.
Just give you a quick walk around here.
Oh, yeah.
Trim looks good. You can see it's got a custom gas tank in the back. Because gas tanks for these are very, very difficult to find. So, and looks like here he's got 10,000 or best offer. 76,000 miles on it.